Vocabulary Review.
Predict. Vince is predicting that the Los Angeles Lakers will win this basketball game. What do you think? Surrounding. Bailey wants to climb each one of Taipei's surrounding mountains. Transport. This time machine can transport you far into the future or back into the past. Dump. Niall dumped the water from the pot into the sink so he could start washing it. Behave. Madeline is studying the way owls behave when they're searching for food. Origin. The origin of playing cards can be traced back hundreds of years to China.